Guess what? The government might owe you some serious cash, like $6,420, and it's hitting bank accounts starting May 1st. This is not a joke, it's legit. They've already sent out official letters confirming this payout, and if you're in your 20s or 32nds, this could be a game changer for your wallet. Let me break it down for you. That $6,420 check is not just some random bonus. It's part of a bigger plan to help out low and middle income folks dealing with inflation, high rents, and uncertain job situations. This is especially targeted towards younger adults like freelancers, part-timers, and students who are struggling the most right now. So, who qualifies for this sweet deal? You're between 18 and 35 years old, your annual income is under $75,000 or $150,000 for a household, you've filed taxes recently or receive federal benefits like SNAP, C, or STI. Even gig workers like Uber drivers, delivery folks, and freelancers can get in on this if their income falls within the right range. The official letter is coming from the U.S. Treasury Department and Social Security Administration. It will have your full name, the confirmed $6,420 amount, the estimated payment date, and instructions on how to update your details if you've moved or changed banks. If you haven't received a letter yet, don't stress. Many are being sent out electronically through ssa.gov accounts or IRS online portals. Payments start on May 1st and will come in waves. Those with direct deposit will get their money the fastest within 3 to 5 business days. Paper checks might take a bit longer, around 7-10 days. To make sure you get your cash, 1. Check your ssa.gov or IRS online account. 2. Ensure your direct deposit info is current. 3. Keep an eye on your mailbox for any physical letters. Listen, $6,420 is not just some extra cash, it's a chance to make a real change. You could use it to pay off debts, start investing, or simply ease the burden of monthly bills. But here's the thing, this opportunity won't come around again soon. If you're eligible, this payment could really turn things around for you. This is time sensitive. If you delay and miss out, you'll regret it. So, check your eligibility now and update your info. For more updates on financial matters that affect young people, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share this with someone who could really use that $6,420.